Hey everyone, happy Friday. This is Jason at SONAX. Hope everyone's having a great week. 2 days ago, March 20th, officially kicked off spring for 2019. So in lieu of spring, we thought we would reintroduce our summer bucket kit. Sorry, it's a little twist, but we think it's a really good kit for that spring. It's called Summer Bucket Kit. We think it's a really good bucket for that good spring cleaning. So the Summer Bucket Kit comes with the bucket, just like this black one. For washing, you have the two-sided microfiber wash multi-purpose mitt, and you also have car wash. These are all included in this kit. Put those back here. We have wheel cleaner, clean the wheels. We also have tire gloss gel. There's two more. We have dashboard cleaner for interior cleaning of all interior plastics and textiles, whatever's inside. We also have high-speed wax, so after you wash the car, use high-speed wax, do a little nice gloss and protection. And then finally, we've got glass cleaner and the two-pack glass cleaner white towels. These towels are fantastic if you haven't used them. If you can see here, they're a really tight nap cloth. We use a two-cloth system. We have one that's damp, one that's dry. Leaves a really nice streak-free window and glass on your car. So all these things are included in the kit. You can see here and this and the bucket. This retails for, I think, around $100. But this weekend, if you go to our website, sonaxusa.com, and click the Summer Bucket Kit and use the FB, the access code or the discount code is FB Live. That's Facebook Live or FB Live, and that's 25% off this entire kit. So basically you get all of these things for $75. So it's a really nice package, great for that spring cleanup. It's called the Summer Bucket Kit. But it's available at sonaxusa.com. Again, it's FB Live is the discount code, and this will last until next Friday, so it'll last 1 week. So please hop on our website, look around, check out the Summer Bucket Kit if you're a little low on things to get the car cleaned up. It's starting to get warm, so please do that. We will see you next week. We've got another Facebook Live on a different subject, so we'll see you next week, and have a great weekend.